start with this. I am extremely honored to have members of the Salzbach Jazz Trio here in the house. Anybody know Salzbach Jazz Trio? The pioneers of jazz. If they weren't here and if they weren't doing what they were doing some 54 some years ago, if Angel and Edsel didn't meet each other, then I probably wouldn't be here. But then there wouldn't be great musicians like Ronchi, Herschel, but not to mention, because everybody keeps forgetting that there are drummers in the house. Ramon Penso is one of the members of Salzbach Jazz Trio who's been there, I think, from the beginning on. Right, Pa? He has been. Ramon, stand up, please. Give a big hand to Ramon Penso. Please. Really. Helaas, he couldn't be here. Joe Batan. Joe Batan, let's give a big hand for Joe Batan because Joe Batan has been there also as a member of the Salzbach Jazz Trio. I heard his health conditions are not that great, so let's pray for him and hope he gets well. But Joe Batan is aqui tapabo, danki, pata parte di Salzbach Jazz Trio, and Papa Edsel Provence. Please give him a big hand. Please. And next to him, Angel Salzbach. Who doesn't know Angel Salzbach, huh? Give a big hand to Angel Salzbach. And because I find you guys already had een homenage kaba. Pepito Reyes, perdóname. Thank you, Dushi. See, everybody keeps forgetting the drummer. I'm sorry. Gregory is gonna give Angel, Edsel, Pepito, and Ramon, they're gonna give a flower from my heart because I do think you guys deserve this special merit from me. I'm still happy you guys are still playing, even though you guys not playing live, but I love you. Thank you for all you've given to Curaçao. I hope I can sing after this. Okay, let's go. I wrote a song actually a couple of years ago with the intention of Salzbach Jazz Trio to accompany me. And when I came here on the island a month ago, I wanted them to play the song, but Angel's bus broke. So I didn't have the opportunity to record it. So right now, the song that I'm going to do is especially for you guys. No ti nada mas duši. sushi. No di nada más sushi. No di nada más sushi. inspiration you have given me. No ti nada más do Jazz Jazz Trio, huh? Say.